Hello everyone, today we are talking about the UGC NET paper 1 June 2025 traditional teaching method. Let's start. It is concerned with the teacher being the collector of the learning environment. Next point, power and responsibility are held by the teacher and they play the role of the instructor, the form of the lecturer and decision maker also. Okay? Next, they regarded the student as having knowledge hole that need to be filled with the information. Okay? Some important features of the traditional teaching method or conventional teaching method. It was a teacher centric classroom, and number 2, teachers in the mode of the knowledge dispensers rather than facilitator. Number 3, chalk and talk method. Number 4, regimented classroom. Number 5, lack of collaboration and group learning. Number 6, more emphasis on examinations and result rather than the understanding of the concept. Number 7, improper alignment between objectives, activities and assessment. तो डन। इस तरह का वीडियो पाने के लिए प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब माई चैनल एंड थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग।